What's up, good people? It's Larry Jones. Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I'm not going to play the intro. It's a lot to get into today. For those of you that are new to the page and you haven't seen me before, do yourself a favor and go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. And for those of you that have been on this journey with us together, this family known as Stock Up, go ahead and hit the like button. It helps to keep me alive and it's greatly appreciated. I also have to tell you about Webull. It's an app, a trading app. Deposit $100, get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. So as you can see, I'm still still here in Florida visiting my brother, taking my dad and my wife. And but I spend more time. My wife is on my case about relaxing. But it's a lot going on in the market, and I've been doing some buying, and I want to share with you guys what I've been doing. Okay, so cryptocurrency is just going crazy, has done another major dump. And I'm gonna come to that in a few minutes. Let me just briefly go over the stock market. This is, we do stocks and crypto here. So there's nothing, as I share with you guys, there's nothing I was really buying in stock. We just been monitoring it day by day by day, just like crypto. No one could tell where the bottom is. My strategy for crypto and the stock market is the same. I'm doing long-term investments during this period, during this downward period. I will be doing swing trades again when the market recovers. But right now I'm only investing. And my year is 2023 to 2025. 2025 is really my year. Having said that, there are some stock that I may be buying next week that I'm looking at that are very attractive to me at this period. One of them is Deere, John Deere. Ticker symbol is DR, I believe it is. DE. DE is John Deere. They do the big machinery. You see a lot of farmers using it, but they also do a lot of contracting for, they're using in the building industry also. A lot of land moving, and with the infrastructure bill, I see it being really big. We talked about it months ago in January, and I'm watching it. It has had a run up because they smashed their earnings report, but they're also advancing in technology, according to Kathy Woods. She brings up a really good point on Deere, and so I'm not telling you to buy Deere. I'm telling you to keep an eye on Deere and watch it, because I see Deere actually still growing. Though if you pull up a 6-month chart, you'll see it has had some nice growth. But I still see a lot of growth for Deere. So we're going to put that on our watch list. Also, too, I will probably be buying more Apple. In my $5 a day challenge, for those of you that are on the challenge with me, every stock in my $5 a day challenge, hashtag million dollar cup of coffee, I will be buying on Monday. Remember, that's a different strategy. We're dollar cost averaging in, and we're just going to continue to do that. Remember, this is our Starbucks money that we're using. This is not our bill money, and this is not even our traditional investment money. This is our Starbucks money that we are investing. So that is still a go. All right. Then I'm looking to start adding more stock to 2 traditional American car companies, because they're moving towards electrification. One is Ford. As you can see, the president of the United States, Florida, Ford F-150 that was fully electric. I see a lot of growth from Ford in the EV sector, and that F-150 is their best-selling car, has been 4 years. So I will probably be looking to buy Ford. I have some GM, and I will be adding to my GM positions, General Motors, because they pledged to put billions into EVs. And so remember, these are long-term investments that I'm taking part of. And so I will probably this week be adding Deere, Apple, Facebook, and General Motors. That is where we're going with the stock, okay? Right. Before I get to crypto, I'm going right into crypto. because I'm talking about crypto and not just me, anybody else, if you see any correspondent below talking about a WhatsApp phone number or my broker, they start giving numbers and all of this, and it's not me, it's spam, not just on my page, but anybody's page. Do not engage. It is spam, good people. All right, let's get to the world of crypto. I watched a BitBoy this morning, so I got this information from him and I haven't had time to verify it. But he said that there are some big whales that literally dumped a ton of Bitcoin, just dumped it in this week, just dumped it. I believe he said it was Wednesday, dumped millions of dollars of Bitcoins and literally caused it to fall down, and signs showing that they start buying back in. I believe that it is being manipulated. The Coinbase app, I've been purchasing all of my Bitcoin through the Coinbase app. There's a link below provided. Yeah, you can start trading Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies with the Coinbase app. There's a link below, but it is actually down right now. I can't even get in to see where my numbers are. But I did do some buying, and what I bought was I bought more Cardano, ADA, or some people say ADA. I bought more Cardano at $1.11. So I bought more Cardano at $1.11. I bought more Tezos, ticker symbol XTZ. I bought more of that at $2.50, if I'm seeing this correctly. And I bought more Matic at 84 cents. Now, I'm just telling you where I bought it. Now, I'm going to warn you guys, like I've been saying about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies do exactly like we've been saying, and it's showing it. Have these run-ups and these massive dips. I mean, they literally could fall 50, 60, 80%. And then you could be into winter, you know, what they call winter season, where it just sits. But just like my previous video, I was showing you guys where, and this is a true story, where a gentleman bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin back in 2010, right? And it cost $15, which was 10,000 Bitcoin at the time. Had he just held that Bitcoin, it would be worth $350 million right now. So he paid $350 million by not being patient. And this is a game of patience. So what I'm looking for personally is where things are going to be by year 2025. That's my year, because I see it all. You know, I see the crypto market exponentially. A lot of these plays will be up by 1,000%, if not even more, by 2025. And the stock market, especially EVs and growth stock, a lot of them will be in profit by the year 2025, especially in the EVs. And so these are the plays that I've done last night while the wife was asleep, and actually some of it actually just a few hours ago rather. And then I'm just watching this and I'm being patient. So I say this in every single video, and you need to hear this. I always say this. Right now, as volatile as the market is, split your money up into 5. Don't see Cardano down so low. Don't see, and I am going to buy some more Ethereum, but I'm going to wait this market out, you know, and let it keep doing these dumps, and then I'm going to start adding to my Ethereum position. But what I caution you guys on doing, and I've been saying this in every video, don't go and spend all of your money because you see these on discount. For those of you that's having FOMO, right? You're going to have some people tell you, sell everything, the sky is falling. Okay, just let them do that and be like the pizza dude, right? But for those of you that do want to buy in, split your money up into 5 different parts, good people. Don't have FOMO. Only buy a little. I only bought a little. Now, I spent some money, but I only bought a little because I'm going to buy 4 more times. I bought twice already, like I shared with you guys, but I'm actually going to buy 4 more times. So you take the amount of money, total investment that you want to invest in crypto and the stock market right now while it's so volatile, and you split it up. And I don't care how far down it goes, and you just want to just buy a ton of it. Be careful. Pace yourself, good people. Split your money up, follow your disciplines, and be a patient, savvy investor. Okay, good people? I'm going to leave it right there. Hopefully I covered everything. I just came up here to share this information with you guys. A lot of people see this as a bloodbath. And a lot of people see this as a buying opportunity. I could see when you guys click the link below and download the Coinbase app. In the last 24 hours, it's been a ton of you guys downloading that Coinbase app. And I think it's been the biggest bump ever, because you guys, some of you guys see what I see. And then we're just gonna wait, be patient, all right? And even if you had a chunk of money, still break it up into 4 or 5 pieces. Buy in, even if you're doing this for your kids or your grandkids, and just wait it out. I'm gonna end by saying this. I really, truly am a component of not just having your money in the cryptocurrency, right? Because if crypto goes through a winter and it's just froze for a couple of years, you're gonna miss a ton of money in the stock market, traditional stocks. So I think everybody should learn how to trade stocks and crypto. Again, I have a link below for the Webull app. You can deposit $100 in it and get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. It doesn't matter if you do the Webull app or anything. Just remember, you need to be in the market. All right, good people, we're gonna leave it right there. Keep that negativity out. Whenever the stock market starts tanking like this, people get negative. Don't let them do it to you. Stay focused on growing wealth, creating wealth, okay? And wealth is not what you create right now. It's what you create for tomorrow, okay? Good people, so let's be patient. Live, love, laugh, and learn. We'll see you later.